Hey everyone, it's Megan here with another Mondays with Megan tech tip for you. This week we're going to learn how to @ someone, so stay tuned. So how do you @ someone? You might be familiar with this from social media, but now you can use it with Microsoft 365 and Outlook. So when you're typing an email, simply click the @ symbol and then start to type the person's name that you want to call special attention to. By adding someone in an email, you're calling special attention to that email and also adding their contact to the to line. So this is great if you want to send, say, an attachment to a group of 10 people and you specifically need one person to approve it. That way, that person doesn't skip over the email thinking that, oh, there's a bunch of people on this email, it can't be that important for just me. So you can @ a specific person or actually type the @ symbol and do that for multiple people in an email. This is a great way to help people realize when something's important specifically to them. If you don't want to Teams them or interrupt what they're doing, that way as soon as they get to their inbox, it's a priority for them. People can also sort by mail that has added them in the email. I hope this is super helpful. If you want more information, go to EasyIT.com. I look forward to talking to you all next week.